What's up guys? Welcome back to rackoflam. So recently I have been trying to squeeze more iron-rich foods into my diet. Reason being, well, you should have known if you've seen my last vlog. Besides poultry and certain seafood, red meat is also a very good source of iron. So to ensure that I'm receiving enough iron from red meat, I like to whip up an occasional stir fry with flank steak and vegetables. I've shared my recipe for beef and broccoli previously, but today I will be sharing a steak stir fry with onions and peppers. So if you're interested in an easy and savory recipe, please keep watching. Not a fan of red meat? No problem, just replace it with poultry and I'm sure the dish will come out just as good. If my video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of flank steak or your preferred cut of beef. Thinly slice the steak, ensuring that you're cutting against the grain. This piece was placed in the freezer for about half an hour to firm up the meat and make it easier to slice. When you're done with the slicing, place the flank steak into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of neutral cooking oil. Mix until well incorporated and allow the beef to marinate for at least 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, you're going to make the sauce, which includes a 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now mix all the ingredients together until well blended, then set aside. So I went for the green and orange bell peppers today because I'm too cheap to pay for the yellow or red at retail prices. But feel free to go for the colors that float your boat. To slice the peppers, I like to first remove the top. Then cut along one side of the pepper to open up the bell and remove its core and any white pith. Give the pepper a few slits down at the bottom so that it can open up completely, then lay it flat on your cutting board and begin to slice them into strips. Likewise, we're slicing the green bell pepper, which you may know is the cheapest of all the colors. Though I don't cook with this vegetable often, they're loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins C and E, potassium, beta-carotene, and folate. We're also going to slice a small onion and a thumb of ginger. Before you start stir frying, be sure to get some rice ready in your rice cooker because this is going to be a saucy dish. Now heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on a wok or large pan over medium-high heat, swirling to coat evenly. Add your sliced bell peppers and onions and stir fry until tender, approximately 5 minutes. When tender or cooked to your desired doneness, set the onions and peppers onto a plate. In the same cookware, you're going to transfer another tablespoon of cooking oil, again swirling to coat evenly. Add your sliced ginger and stir for about 30 seconds. Next, you're going to add the marinated flank steak. Break them up so that they cook evenly and allow them to cook until slightly pink, which should take about 3 minutes or so. Immediately add the cooked onions and peppers back into the pan and give them a quick toss with 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine and some black pepper. It is important that you lower the heat to a simmer now to prevent the beef from overcooking. Then quickly blend the sauce mixture to loosen up any settled cornstarch. Pour the sauce into the wok and stir until the sauce thickens for a minute or two. And FYI, it's critical to move swiftly after combining your steak with the veggies, because you can easily overcook your beef simply by letting it sit on a hot wok too long. And in less than half an hour, you've got yourself this vibrant dish of flank steak stir-fried with onions and peppers. This dish will surely boost my iron intake for the day. There should be ample sauce to coat each slice of beef, but if you prefer more, please adjust the ingredients accordingly. And if you like your beef peppery like I do, make sure you top them off with some black pepper. See this sauce right here? It's the reason why you will need white rice. My family and I are ready for some din din. Shake
Shake fan.
If you enjoyed my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.